plants, flowers, watering can, water, to water, to cut the dead leaves.
Good morning, it is Öğren. Today it's step by step. I have to take care of the plants and the flowers.
Flowers, flowers, plants, plants.
I have to take care of the plants and the flowers. What do I need? 1. I need a watering can.
Watering can, watering can.
I need a watering can. 2. I need water.
Water, water.
I need water in order to water the plants. To water the plants.
To water, to water.
3. I need to cut the dead leaves. I need to cut the dead leaves.
To cut the dead leaves. To cut the dead leaves. To cut the dead leaves.
So, to sum up, what do I need? Watering can, water to water the plants, and 4 to cut the dead leaves. Cut the dead leaves.
Plants, flowers, watering can. Plants, flowers, watering can. Water, to water, to cut the dead leaves. Water, to water, to cut the dead leaves.
It was Öğren for Step by Step. Bye bye!